How to create an animating YouTube end screen from Adobe Premiere Pro with the combination of Photoshop. So let's get started. First, you should open Adobe Photoshop and create a HD worksheet. Then download the assets folder by using the link in the description and drag and drop the background image. Then create a rectangle with 350 pixel height and 635 pixel width. Then duplicate it by pressing the Alt key in the keyboard. Now create a circle with both width and height 300 pixels. Then type the text, then drag and drop the arrow icon and place it. Now merge the all layers except the text layers and arrow icon. Now you should open Adobe Premiere Pro to animate the end screen. After opening the Adobe Premiere Pro, firstly you should drag and drop the PSD file of created end screen into the Premiere Pro timeline. Now select individual layers and deselect the white color background. Now arrange the all layers one over another. You should make sure the background layer is at the bottom.